Good morning, Ashwin here from Eventum Consulting. Today we're going to be looking at business loaning and what that means for you and how you should go about doing it. So business loans are effectively borrowing money for your business to help it grow. So whether it's purchasing stock or motor vehicle or buying another business or buying an actual factory or premise, it's a really important part of business because debt, while people get worried, and I'm conservative by nature, that's not you get scared of it. Well, debt is a good thing if it helps you grow. And the easiest way to explain it is if you can borrow at 2 to 3% for your business, and you know in your business you get a 10 or 9% return, well, you're leaving 6% on the table that you can't access. Now, you don't want to overstretch your debt position, so if you can't make a payment, you're going to fall over. So it's having a discussion about it, and that's where we can help you. We like sitting down with our clients and looking at how they're structured and go, well, are there opportunities in your market or your industry where you could be looking to grow and you're just not doing it because of a lack of capital invested in the business? And then clients can make an informed decision. So, maybe you can approach your bank with the right set of financials and the right assets and liabilities, and we help structure that internally through our brokers. And we go, well, there's an opportunity here to borrow, let's say $200,000 to set up another office in another part of WA. And as a result of doing that, there's an opportunity for another $1 million worth of work locally as a result of having a presence in a regional town. And those discussions should be part of your normal catch-ups with your accountants and advisors, because we should be looking at how we can help you grow. And finance is one of those quickish ways to do it if it's the right plan for your business. Now, if you're not looking to grow and you're looking to sell up, then yeah, it's probably the right time to start paying down the debt, making the balance sheet look cleaner and not borrow money. But if you're in a growth phase, and it typically goes like a hockey stick, you're looking for that cash flow from a loan to get you through it. So don't be afraid of debt if it's used for the right purposes. If you're using your debt to get yourself out of a hole because the business isn't profitable, that's not great. That's not what you should do. You should be looking at it. If you're growing and you're having growing pains and the cash flow is needed to get you through it, that's when you want to look at it. And you want to look at it sooner than later. Because if you're trying to do something last minute, you're sort of pigeonholed in a few options to borrow, and you're looking at short-term loans with really high numbers, maybe even double digits, opposed to planning for it, borrow at a really low rate and grow in the right way. So when you're looking at the loan, the key details to look at is what's the rate, but the rate isn't the only thing. You want to look at any monthly and ongoing fees. And a good example is I recently bought a new car. The rate I got from the bank was a bit higher than what was offered to me in the car dealer finance, but there was no monthly fees and there was no setup cost with my bank, and the rate was actually cheaper. So even though they were offering a rate of about, I think, 3%, the rate of 4% from my bank was actually cheaper than the 3% offered internally with the car finance. So it's best way to understand it is go to a bank, say the same amount of money, and find out what your monthly payments are and add back the fees, and then you work out and go, actually, you know what, the rate might be higher, but I'm actually saving on a $500 annual fee and $10 a month monthly. I'm actually better off just borrowing it straight from the bank. And that's the best way to make that decision. So getting the right structures is the right way to grow, and business finance is definitely part of most businesses' growth strategies. So if you need a review or you're looking to grow your business, book a time with us at Eventum. You can give us a call on 9310 3343 or visit our website and book a time to talk to myself and the finance team to look at how we can help you grow your business.